Think a cargo port is just a giant warehouse? You're missing the massive robotic ballet happening right under your feet. You look at a massive cargo ship and probably think it's just a giant floating warehouse. But getting 20,000 steel boxes off this beast without tipping it over? That requires a hidden mechanical ballet that most people walk right past. It actually starts underwater. The harbor isn't a natural bay, it's a heavily engineered trench. Constant dredging keeps the hydrodynamics perfectly balanced so these leviathans don't run aground. Above ground, the real heavy lifting begins with the ship-to-shore gantry cranes. You might think it's just a giant hook grabbing steel boxes. Not quite. It's a precision spreader mechanism locking into 4 microscopic corner castings. It lifts thousands of tons per hour with millimeter accuracy, constantly compensating for wind. But unloading the ship is just scratching the surface of this logistical gold mine. Once the box hits the asphalt, the actual algorithmic magic takes over. Welcome to the automated stacking yard, the hidden brain of the megaport. There are no human drivers here, just a silent fleet of automated guided vehicles. These robotic flatbeds operate on a massive, invisible grid of transponders. Juliet found the blueprints. An AI predicts exactly when each container needs to leave. It stacks them like a perfect puzzle, preventing a catastrophic traffic jam. If a priority box gets buried at the bottom, the whole system bleeds money. But there's a hidden layer even deeper than the routing algorithm. See these pure white containers? They are reefers packed with perishable food and medicine. They don't just sit there. They plug into a massive hidden electrical grid. The port consumes enough electricity to power a small city just to keep things frozen. If that power drops for even 10 minutes, millions of dollars spoil instantly. So we have the cargo unloaded, sorted, and chilled. What's the catch? Security. Every single box must be vetted without slowing down the massive machine. You can't manually open 20,000 doors. That's a fool's errand. Instead, trucks drive through high-speed X-ray portals without even touching the brakes. Radiation detectors scan for anomalies in milliseconds, cross-referencing global customs databases. It's a high-speed filtration system, separating the clean cargo from the contraband. Which brings us to the biggest misconception about how global shipping actually works. The ship isn't the bottleneck. The real choke point is the intermodal transition. A port is useless if the cargo can't escape onto the continental rail networks. This is where the maritime world forcefully collides with terrestrial infrastructure. Precision timing aligns the automated yard cranes with arriving mile-long freight trains. A delay of 30 seconds per box snowballs into weeks of national supply shortages. The port isn't just a parking lot for boats. It's a physical algorithm. It's a massive breathing machine designed to keep the modern world stocked and fed. Next time you buy something online, think about the mechanical gauntlet it survived. From the dredged trench to the algorithmic yard, it's a masterpiece of hidden engineering. Have you ever actually noticed the corner castings on a shipping container before? Let me know the most mind-blowing hidden mechanic you learned today in the comments.